Hello everyone, this is Chinmay from Makeout Clinic. Welcome back to our show. Morning, we are here in the workshop by 6 o'clock and we are working on one of the Honda product right now. And as you have seen in one of my video that how we have cleaned this injector by using ultrasonic machine. And now we have to assemble this and we have to fix up on the bike as well. So I'm going to show you how to assemble injector when you have removed this throttle body. I haven't showed you how to remove it because it was not necessary, because it is just a vice versa what I'm going to show you right now. So if I can assemble or if I can show you, then it is the same way you have to remove this injector from the injector body. So let's start with this. Sunil is also here with me. He's here for his internship. He's gonna be here for almost 1 year and he's gonna learn a lot, though he has completed his course, but still is willing to stay here for more learning. So let's begin with the workout. So this is the injector body. Some of the tools will be requiring. These are the bolts for the injector purpose. This is the injector holder or the for the pipe. Some tools, and then I'll show you the assembly. So let me just hook up my camera. So let's start with this assembly. First, you will be requiring special star tool, but which is having hole in center. As you can see all those special tools. So we have to remove this one first of all, and we have to tight also. Right now it's loose, but we'll just find out which is the appropriate one. Okay, this is the appropriate. Why do we need this center hole? As you can see, this is the tool which has got center hole. So why do we need that? Because those bolts are, or those screws are also having kind of a stud inside this head. Yeah, so it should fit properly, so we can do the tightening. So we have to remove this map sensor. So you have to remove the map sensor. In CBR, map sensor fitment is little different. This unit has got one notch, as you can see, one groove basically, and see this throttle body has got one, as you can see. I'll just try to show you this point. There is a small guiding pin is basically coming inside, as you can see, which has to be, this map sensor has to be fitted, or the stud or the guiding pin should go in this groove only. If you miss this place, then it won't work. So better be careful when you are reinstalling this map sensor. So just keep it aside. Okay, so don't forget this injector has got one o-ring here and here. Since we have cleaned this injector under ultrasonic machine, so we'll just fix up. For fixing up, we'll be requiring small amount of grease, or even if you use Vaseline, or small amount of oil on the oil seal, and this one, that's fine. It is for insertion because this is a little bit tight. This you may not require, but here you will be requiring. And to fix up the injector, it is necessary to remove the map sensor, because the foundation bolt which is there basically is in between the this is how you have to just paste small amount, and then just insert. So it will go inside properly without too much of pressure, because if you give pressure, then it may break, because injector is made up of special plastic, but it's a plastic, it's not metal. So just paste some amount of grease on that surface also, oil seal, and then you have to place the injector. Yes, and then just put the map sensor only has got timing, and this injector inlet has got a timing, so don't forget this timing. Just need to use 8 mm spanner. You can use socket, small socket. Don't give too much of torque. It will not this thing will not come out due to vibration because it is fitted on the inlet manifold. Okay, so we have fitted the injector placed properly. Now it's time to fix up this map sensor. So as I mentioned, this groove is very much important. Yes, it's gone inside. Now this has got another timing. The plate has got one timing. This notch, as you can see, to match with this, so that means this map sensor particularly has got a timing. Just make sure the, yes, it is slightly up, so make sure it is inside. Why it is up? Because there is a o-ring inside. That's the reason that it is popping out, but it will go once you start tightening this screws. Make sure the timing is proper before tightening top plate. It's all depending on this and the guide pin which is there inside, so we'll be requiring another tool for that. Okay, so I'm going to just quarter, not final tightening. Hand tight is fine. So this is how you have to install this injector and the map sensor after cleaning the injector. Now as you can see, why we need to remove this map sensor, because this bolt particularly is basically coming towards this direction, so the map sensor is coming in between. If you have allen bolt, then there is a possibility that you may not need to remove this map sensor, but right now it is not there. So there is a flange also which is given for the bolt. That means we must remove this map sensor. So thanks for watching and have a great day.